I was trying to get a bullet mold to do a 500 grain bullet for the 4570, much like in the book by Mr. Wolf. And I haven't had any luck. I tried contacting NEI for a catalog and I couldn't get them. 2 or 3 of the other companies he mentions in his book are out of business. So I contacted Brooks Knives and Moulds of Walkerville, Montana, and I ordered a mold with them. They told me they know about the book, all the other stuff, and he said I can make you a custom mold. So I think that was about 3 weeks ago. So he had a pretty good turnaround, and I got it here. Thanks for your order. Spring, okay. So he told me it was a quick turnaround, and cost about $180 for the mold and the top punch. So let's see what we got. I'm going to zoom in a little. They even give me a mold, I guess a mold. Closed or cast 31 at 775 inspect external mold. Okay, he gives you instructions here. Basically what he's telling me, he casted a 31 alloy bullet at 775 degrees. Please inspect them to confirm that this is the mold that you ordered. Do not use mold prep as it will change your bullet dimensions. These molds are lathe bored, and the cavity in the face of the mold are cut in one operation. An index mark is detrimental to concentricity of bullet and voids any warranty. Should you use a black marker to mark the base of your bullet before you drop it? Okay, we didn't know. Okay. So, we got a bullet, top punch, pretty massive mold. Oh, he's got one in there. Okay. We actually have one in there. That's one way people use to keep the mold from rusting. Just cast one and leave it in there. That's a pretty thick sprue plate too. So this is basically, this mold set up for a black powder shooter. You know, it's got the heavy sprue plate. It's pretty damn high quality alignment pins in there. Alright, I'm going to get the mics and we're going to check out the bullet here. Okay, when I called this guy up, I told him that I wanted a bullet, a 500 grain 4570 bullet, I mean, that matched up with the drawings in this book, which the 500 grain bullet here, and I just checked it with my calipers, the length, the seating depth, the diameter. See, the key is with the black powder bullet, more of your modern bullets, this section here is made to ride the bore because smokeless powder doesn't foul. With black powder you get fouling in the bore, and this here is actually supposed to be 447 thousandths in diameter with a 450 bore. So you got your 3 thousandths or so clearance. And that's critical when you're shooting with the black powder. So yeah, this bullet with the calipers just about matches this thing in the book almost exactly to within a thousandths. You know, within a couple thou. So this bullet does replicate the 1881 500 grain bullet. So I got a mold. Cost a bit, but I wanted it, and I couldn't find, I couldn't get a hold of NEI. Tried getting a catalog, tried calling them on the phone, no luck. So I ended up calling up this company here, and they seem first class. They do a lot of bullet molds for black powder cartridge, and I think they make some for black powder muzzle loaders too, also balls and mini balls or mini balls. But I got a hold of them, contacted them, and wanted the 500 grain bullet. So now I got it, and of course, you know, like I said, it costs $180 some, but it's what I wanted, and it looks like it's pretty exact. Now the Lee hollow base makes the 400, the other bullet in the book here. I use the Lee mold. You know, the Lee mold costs $30 delivered. So I got both bullets now. I gotta try to cast up some bullets and get to get to where we start loading the black powder and try to replicate the load and do that in 4570. But I'm happy with the mold. It's pretty high quality. It's a heavy duty mold. Iron. I think this mold will cast real good. I like the molds made out of iron a bit better than the aluminum, because once you get them to temperature, the bullets just come right out of here, and it's already got the heavy sprue plate. And the idea behind the thicker, heavier sprue plate is it cools the alloy a little bit slower, so that way you get a better base, more uniform base diameter. But that's what it is, and probably won't be till next week or so. We won't be able to cast some bullets with it.